Hello everyone and welcome to channel Try and Buy. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Here we review a lot of new products, shoes. And today on the line we are unboxing a New Balance shoes. So which series of New Balance shoes today we're unboxing? That's New Balance Men's Relaxa Walker. Let's see what is inside. But first, let's see here it's New Balance. Those are the series number. Like size is US 7.5. It's white. Comfort feature. Control New Balance. Also, very important, the packaging is made from 100% recycled materials, so New Balance is also taking care of the environment. It's not only making great shoes, but also taking care of the environment. Let's see what is inside. It's a proper packaging. Da-da-da-da. Here are the shoes. Let's take out the second one. Yeah, let's put aside the box. Yeah, pretty nice looking shoes. I like this soft back part, which is like pretty stylish. Plush, New Balance popular foam. Plush. What, I don't know what is it. So this is under here. There's a New Balance branding. So upper part is textile. It has a synthetic sole which is removable. You can take and put it back. Like as you can see, this is a removable synthetic sole. Oops. It has some paper inside. Let's take out the paper. Yeah, you can see now how good looking is this. Let's put it back. Okay. I see, it's proper. Here another small sole. I like this very much. So as I said, I mentioned upper textile. It has also some protection here. As I said, it's very soft, it's very comfortable. It's made in Indonesia, UK 7, US 7.5, EU 40.5 size. So this New Balance Relaxa Walkers. It's breathable engineered mesh textile and synthetic upper materials. Those are the protection toe. No sew upper application helps to reduce the likelihood of irritation. So it has lace up closure, flash down collar, smooth fabric lining offers a grade in the shoe feel with the New Balance logo. Bye.